Fanboys are the 7 coordinating conjunctions in English for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. These special words help connect words, phrases, or complete sentences that have equal importance. Today we learn how each one works with simple examples. Coordinating conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses that are equal in importance. They join ideas together and show the relationship between them. Fanboys words create smooth, compound sentences. Here are the 7 Fanboys conjunctions for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Each letter in FANBOYS represents one coordinating conjunction. Remember this acronym to recall all 7 words easily. Each Fanboys word has a specific job. For shows reason and adds information, nor adds negative ideas but shows contrast, or gives choices, yet shows unexpected contrast, so shows results. These examples demonstrate each one clearly. For explains a reason why something happens. I stayed home, for it was raining means the rain caused me to stay home, and adds more information to connect 2 similar ideas. She sings and plays guitar lists 2 actions together. Nor adds another negative idea. He doesn't like pizza, nor pasta means he dislikes both foods, but shows contrast between 2 different ideas. The teacher was strict, but fair means 2 opposite qualities about the same person. Or presents a choice between 2 options. Tea or coffee asks which one you prefer, yet shows contrast when something unexpected happens. She was tired, yet she continued working despite feeling tired. So shows a result or consequence. It rained, so we stayed home means the rain caused us to remain inside. Fanboy summary. For reason and addition, nor negative addition, but contrast or choice, yet unexpected contrast, so result.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.